Pankaj Sharma, data falling flat. Jyotsna Tirunagiri, TDP. Shazia Elmi, BJP. The interview is there, the data is there.
I would request you to ask Congress. Please ask Congress, Arnabji, if there was any vote chori. If there was any vote chori, Arnabji, ask them why have they not filed a single objection with the EC. Congress wants to win the debates and lose the elections. अब ये होता है कि ये लोग क्या करते हैं जब इलेक्शन हार जाते हैं ना आके ये बोलते हैं अरे अरे मैंने तो परीक्षा ठीक से लिखा ही नहीं मैंने तो पढ़ा ही नहीं मगर मैं हार गया मगर
ladies and gentlemen,
कहाँ की रीति है सर राहुल गांधी
Pankaj, कहाँ Rahul Gandhi got some data, and on that data, on the basis of some data which he interpreted, he said that the election commission is unfair. Now, when the data is proven to be wrong, should he not come and apologize? Or should Pawan Khera not come and apologize? Pawan, you keep saying vote chori, vote chori. अब आपकी अपनी fact चोरी पकड़ी गई, आपकी fact चोरी पकड़ी गई, तो आप क्यों माफी नहीं मांग रहे?
Rahul Gandhi
तथ्यों की चोरी कर दी आपने.
PowerPoint presentation on 7th. This data was released on 17th.
Same kind of point, no?
They are on 7th.
On the data of 7th,
there should be a thorough probe into this entire 20-hour episode. This organization released this data on 17th.
Yeah, but in Mahadevpura, your argument on Mahadevpura, when I came on air and I said, Pankaj, listen, Pankaj, your argument was Mahadevpura.
Then was on 7th.
I know, but listen to me, no, Baba. I came on air and I said, according to my data, and I am the best in data in the country. According to my data, Mahadevpura has been a consistent BJP stronghold since forever. It is not a swing seat suddenly lost by Congress. Mahadevpura as a constituency comes into existence in 2008. Every time Congress loses, every time BJP wins. In fact, BJP won by 48.6% in 2013, 50.4% before in 2018, 54% in 2023. So BJP winning is the fact.
Correct.
Congress losing is the truth. इसमें mystery कहाँ है भैया? आप हारते हैं बीजेपी जीते, इसमें थ्रिलर क्या है? कंफ्यूजन का आप हारते हैं.
Why are you?
अब your argues हम क्यों हारते हैं? वो you do आत्मचिंतन, you do a चिंतन बैठक on it.
With the data.
Everybody on. Come on, Pankaj, you lost tonight.
There is no connection.
Apologize. Say sorry to the country.
Is there any connection?
Arnabji, I'll tell you one thing, Arnabji. What is happening, I'll tell you. In 1975, Congress...
Have these people very deeply investigated.
There should be a thorough probe on whose behest he has been doing this.
Only trying to
there should be an investigation. I felt he could not give me any answers today.
Is threatening the chief election commissioner and the election commission.
BJP calls Rahul Gandhi king of fakery.
Chief election commissioner is threatening the leader of the opposition.
It's Chori
Chief election
commissioner.
Okay, Sri Charan from Bengaluru. Sri Charan.
And it's terrible.
Sri Charan.
Hi, Arnab sir.
Hi, what do you think? What do you think, Sri Charan?
My point is quite clear. Sanjay Kumar has already apologized for his wrong numbers.
Correct.
And Rahul Gandhi is clinging to the same faulty data to attack the election commission. If the source has admitted the mistake,
I don't know how it works. I don't know how it works.
Rahul Gandhi never used the data released by CSTS.
He may not have, but Pawan Khera is from Congress Party or BJP? Girish, Pawan Khera works with Rahul Gandhi or JP Nadda? Girish Gudur from Pune. Girish.
After that, there should be a probe on.
I have only 2 points.
Girish, yeah, 1 point, Girish.